Hello, and welcome to Beginner Woodworking Class number 9, Building a Modern Slat Bench. I made a new friend who asked me to build him a bench for his office so students could sit and chat, and he especially requested that there be a center console for students to place their papers or cups or whatever. And I was like, bench please. You know I want to tackle this project. I am super excited to make this easy build with you today, and I hope you'll join along as we learn, step by step, how to build a modern slat bench. I'm SoCal Wood Gal, and I'm a creator in sunny Los Angeles. I've been building and crafting wooden objects, large and small, for over a decade, and I am obsessed with passing on my love of carpentry through accessible, fun, and engaging classes that will help you tackle whatever project you dream of. I've been featured in Family Handyman for my one-woman kitchen remodel, and I've been teaching on Skillshare since 2019. I hope you'll join me on a journey of empowerment and skill building as we create what we've imagined, project by project. In this beginner-friendly class, we'll learn the following: a general bench overview with bench applications, designing our bench, materials and supplies needed, making our cuts, finishing our bench, and finally, assembling our bench. This class is for anyone who's interested in learning how to make a bench. No prior experience is necessary, but some tools are needed. Drill bits, driver, sander, sandpaper, paint or stain, optionally a hammer, nails and glue, or brad nailer, and some sort of saw, be it circular, jig, miter, or handsaw. So what are you waiting for? Let's dive on in and learn how to make a modern slat bench.